Hi students, myself Dr. Nisreen Hussain, Head Department of Zoology, Government Dr. W. W. Patankar Girls PG College, Durg, Chhattisgarh. Wonder vertebrates that we would be dealing with in this video lecture is the part of the practical exercise from Lab Course 1 of MSc 3rd semester Zoology. Part 1 is about wonder fishes, Part 2 about wonder amphibians, Part 3 deals with wonder reptiles, and this is Part 4 focused on wonder birds. What are vertebrates? We have already discussed in the previous parts of wonder vertebrates video lessons as what are vertebrates. Still, we can go through it once again. In general, the vertebrates are the chordates, which possess primarily a vertebral column made up of bony vertebrae and also have well-developed brain enclosed in cranium, that is the brain case, hence also called craniates or craniata. Besides this, the backboned vertebrates have specialized features such as presence of notochord at any stage of life, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, cephalization, bilaterally symmetrical body which is drawn into the long axis, an endoskeleton, post-anal tail, paired appendages, closed vascular system, and a ventral heart. What are wonder vertebrates? In fact, each and every organism on this earth is unique and wonderful, right? From the microorganisms to lower and higher invertebrates to hemichordates and then to different strata of chordates involving vertebrate animals and human beings. Amongst all the wonderful creatures, there are yet some that exhibit uniqueness to highest degree in one or the other features. These are called the wonder vertebrates. The 5 well-known classes of vertebrates, that is Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and mammals, have wonderful members with amazing characteristics. Birds belonging to class Aves. In this part, we would have a glimpse of some of the wonder birds. Although all the birds around us are the attractive creatures, observing their instinctive behavior gives us immense pleasure, like flitting among leaves, splashing over the water, more pleasing when we see them chirping and bathing after watering the garden plants, darting among the woods, etc. Their colorful feathers make them most beautiful, and the chirping and singing language makes them a favorite pursuit of man since prehistoric times. Birds are flying vertebrates possessing wings and have their anterior extremities, that is forelimbs, transformed into wings. This class of organism are characterized by feathers, toothless beaks, and a high metabolic rate. To start with the wonder birds, the most well known is ostrich. Ostriches are large flightless birds. They are also called bobwhite, having massive body. They have a nomadic lifestyle and are mostly diurnal. There are two living species, the common ostrich and the Somali ostrich. They are between 2.1 and 2.8 meters in height, and they have a wingspan of approximately 2 meters, and they weigh between 100 and 160 kgs. They have a long bare neck, a small head, a huge body, and long muscular legs. there are many quotes about ostriches burying their heads in the sand, which they do not really do. Next is Cuban hummingbird. Cuban hummingbird is the smallest known bird. The Cuban emerald is a smaller than the thumb of one's hand, as we can see in the picture, dark green hummingbird. The male averages 4 to 4.5 inches in length and the female 3.7 to 4.1 inches. The female weighs about 3.4 grams and the male 5 grams. Both sexes have a whitish spot behind the eye. Male has a slight bluish tinge to the breast and a forked black tail. The female, whereas, differs with a grey throat, breast and belly. Albatross. It is the largest wingspan bird. These birds are the large seabirds and range widely in the Southern Ocean and the North Pacific. Albatrosses are among the largest of flying birds, having morphologically adapted wings. Their large wingspans can reach up to 6.5 to 11 feet. They have the largest wingspan among any bird species. Albatrosses uses their massive wingspan to travel long distances without using their muscles. Red-bird quilla. It is the most abundant bird. These are regarded as the most numerous undomesticated birds on earth. The red-billed quilla is a small sparrow-like bird. It has a population of more than 10,000 millions, of which 1 by 10th part is destroyed every year by pest control. With a heavy cone-shaped bill which is red both in females and males, but during the breeding season it turns orange to yellow in females. Male cardinals are red in color, with over 75% of males having a black facial mask comprising a black forehead, cheeks, lobes and higher parts of the throat. Occasionally, males have a white mask. Andean condor. It is the longest lived bird. It is one of the largest flying bird in the world by combined measurement of weight and wingspan. A male vulture, Gryphus, has been reported to have lived for about 72 years. It has a maximum wingspan of 3.3 meters. It is a large black vulture with a ruff of white feathers surrounding the base of the neck and especially in the male, large white patches on the wings. The head and neck are nearly featherless and they are with a dull red color which may flush and therefore change color in response to the bird's emotional state. Spine-tailed swift. It is the fastest flying bird. It flies with the airspeed which is 60 miles per hour and they have exceptionally long wings and powerful bodies. Their compact plumage is a dull or glossy grey, brown or black with pale or white markings on the throat, neck, belly or rump. The tail, although often short, may be long and deeply forked with short needle-tipped tail feathers. In the spine-tailed swifts, a group that includes the familiar American chimney swift, the central shaft of the tail feathers extend beyond the wings. Hummingbird. It is the fastest wing beat bird which has the record of 90 beats per second. It can even fly upside down. There is one species, that is the ruby-throated hummingbird, and they are known for having incredibly fast wing beats. This hummingbird, it ranges from 7 to 9 centimeters in length and has an 8 to 11 centimeter wingspan. Weight can range from 2 to 6 grams, with males averaging 3.4 grams against the slightly larger female, which averages 3.8 grams. Hummingbirds are some of the most coveted backyard birds and are known so because of the humming sound created by their beating wings. Vultures. Vultures are the slowest wing beat bird. The slowest wing beats recorded during true level flight averaged 1 per second. Vultures have a heavy body, a hunched over stance, and their feathers often appear shaggy and looser than other birds. Gentoo penguin. It is the fastest swimming bird. They are known for the fastest swimming in the world, reaching the speeds of up to 36 km per hour. Gentoo penguins tend to stay within their colonies even beyond the mating season, though colonies in more southern regions may disperse more. Gentoo penguins have been known to make as many as 450 dives per day to forage for food. They can dive as deep as 200 meters and stay underwater up to 7 minutes. Although they prefer to stay close to shore, gentoos have been spotted as far as 26 kilometers out of sea. Arctic tern, bird having longest flights. The Arctic tern is a medium-sized bird around 33 to 36 centimeters from the tip of its beak to the tip of its tail. The wingspan is 76 to 85 centimeters and it weighs 86 to 127 grams. It is famous for its long migrations. It flies from its Arctic breeding grounds to the Antarctic and back again each year, the shortest distance between these areas being 19,000 kilometers, that is 12,000 miles. The long journey ensures that this bird sees 2 summers per year and more daylight than any other creature on the planet. Arctic tern flies as well as glides through the air. Common swift, most airborne bird. Common swifts are 16 to 17 centimeters long with a wingspan of 38 to 40 centimeters. Swifts are among the fastest of birds, and larger species like the white-throated needletail have been reported traveling at up to 169 kilometers per hour. The common swift is the most airborne bird which remains in air at least 9 months in a year. Wandering albatross, bird of longest incubation period. Incubation period means the period over which eggs are incubated. That is, the bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm and bring them to hatching. The incubation period of wandering albatross varies from 75 to 82 days. It has the longest wingspan of any living bird, typically ranging from 2.51 to 3.5 meters. The wandering albatross is the largest member of its genus Diomedia and is one of the largest birds in the world. Whistling swan, bird with maximum feathers. During winter, the body of the whistling swan is covered with more than 25,000 feathers. One with maximum most reported was with 25,216 feathers. No other bird has as many feathers. The tundra swan is an all-white bird of amazing grace and beauty. Its bill is black, sometimes with a yellow spot at the base. The migration of this swan is an incredible 3,725 miles round trip. Turkey bird. It is the largest turkey bird. The recorded sized adult male wild turkey, according to the National Wild Turkey Federation, weighed 16.85 kg, with records of tom turkeys weighing over 13.8 kg, that's uncommon but not rare. The turkey is a large bird in the genus Meleagris, which is native to America. They are among the largest birds in their ranges. As with many Galliformes, the male is larger and much more colorful than the female. African parrot, most talkative bird. They have been reported by Berger and Journa in 2001 to have a repertoire of over 200 different sounds, including 9 imitations of other wild bird songs and also one of that of bat. It has a darker grey body, nearly black, with a horn-colored beak, and its tail ranges in color from maroon to dark grey or black. African grey parrots generally inhabit savannas, coastal mangroves, woodland, and edges of forest clearings in their West and Central Africa range. Reference sources were taken from Practical Zoology textbook prescribed for BSc and MSc lab courses, and the images from Wikipedia, Google, Encyclopedia Britannica for educational purposes only. Thank you.